What's up guys, it's Andrew from 4Runner Customs, and today we're going to be going over how to assemble the 4th Gen 4Runner TRD Pro Grille for the 2002 to 2005 4Runner models. Now the only tool you're going to need for this installation is just a Phillips head screwdriver, and you're also going to need the Toyota insert that comes in the box along with the lights and the 4 small screws in the screw bag. The first thing you want to do is to take the grille itself and go ahead and flip it over. Set it back down, and then you want to take your Toyota grill insert, flip that over, and go ahead and drop that right into the pre-cut notches on the back of the grill, and it should just drop right in nice and easy. Next you want to take your 4 small screws and go ahead and pick those up, grab your screwdriver, and go ahead and fasten those screws into the holes on the back of the Toyota grill insert. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and take your grill and flip it back over, and your logo emblem should be nice and snug and fit in the grill. Now the only thing left to do is to attach the lights. Now these lights will fit into any of the full hexagonal holes on the front of the grill. Top or bottom, it doesn't matter. So what you do is you just slide the wiring end through and then you snap it right on. Now you should hear a nice click whenever these lights are snapped in all the way, and they should sit firmly in the grill and not wiggle at all. So just go ahead and snap the rest of your lights in and make sure they all fit just right. So after that, you're done assembling the grill and you're ready to install. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and if you have not yet picked up your TRD Pro grill for your 4th Gen 4Runner, feel free to use the link in the description to pick one up today.